Hello, yeah. Hi, people that are watching this. I should probably turn the volume's kind of loud. So I'm doing kind of like a challenge kind of thing in Beastworm because I'm a little bored. This is gonna be part one of like, I don't know. But it's gonna be, I gotta do Beastworm with, well, I can't do quest and, yeah. I can't do quest. Like, I can't do Beastmas quest, I can't do anything. Also, when you do see my username, yeah, this is, okay, let's buy something. Oh, I can't buy something, right? Okay. Big balloon buddy. Also, yeah, I can't spend Robux. Let me go to this field. Give me stuff. So yeah, this is just kind of, yeah, this is pretty much, yeah, that's just kind of a fun idea. If you, I guess 3 likes for part 2. Also, yeah, I'll make it close to my hive. Yeah, don't ask. I don't know how Roblox let me do this. A dead body over there. So, this, I don't question existence anymore. Some of you are probably laughing in the background. So, yay. Okay, well, yeah, we really can't do anything. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, if you join for a little bit, it'll give you a 2-day pollen boost. So yeah, I guess expect to see a new part each week. I guess. Yeah. I'd like to keep my first bee as a basic because, yeah, like I know how basics are pretty much one of the worst bees in the game. I think gifted's better, but whatever. So I'm literally just gonna I'm gonna be walking around for so much, just seeing the exclamation marks everywhere. Just like, hey, can you help me? Also, that also means I can't do the stick bug or the bees because I need a translator. So yeah. I'm about to get a new bee egg. The game's a lot more funner when you're a noob. But like when I start to get at least in like the 15 bee zone, I may do it every 2 weeks because yeah, the game is more fun at, yeah. You guys, yeah. Okay, basic egg. I don't know why it's looking like that. Okay, we got 2 basic bees. Oh yeah. Bye. Dude, like a gifted bee. Man, you know what? I don't know this, but okay, so this is for you guys to decide in the comments, or pretty much, yeah. Okay, so do I? Actually, yeah. Should I give the present to him? Like, please decide that, because, well, actually, I'm just gonna. Nah, I can't talk to an NPC, so that that would be breaking rules. So I can't. Like how everybody's hive is just like godlike, and then there's just this one noob with 2 bees over here. Give me pollen. Oh yeah. Yay. Dude, there's just these god people, and then I'm over here, just walking slowly. Just getting some honey. Just getting some honey. Oh yeah. You know what? Since I'm just gonna do it because I can. I'm gonna go get this royal jelly. I may not be able to. I may need boots. Oh, I thought I needed boots. Nice. So I get I'm not really gonna. Okay, our goal I guess is to get to 50 bees. Once I reach 50 bees, yeah, that's the end of the series. So yeah, this will be fun. This will be fun. Each video, I guess, is gonna last 10 minutes. Yeah. I mean, if you're still watching this video, dude, thanks. You must be interested in bee swarm. So yeah. I hope you've had a happy New Year, and yeah. It must be very nice to yeah. To have had a new year. 2021 was a crazy year. Well, not as crazy as 2019, but yeah. You know what I mean. Wow, I did it. Okay. Let's get to. Dude, I just love this. Is just so funny. Like everyone's just like waiting for me to accept their quest, and I'm just over here, just like, nah, I don't wanna. To be honest, I don't know how hard this challenge is actually gonna be. I mean, it's kind of hard because you're literally supposed to have quest so you can get stuff, but if you realize this also means it's gonna be I don't think I can actually get the diamond mask. I can't get any mask that has eggs in it because I can't buy them, I don't think. I mean, unless I've never been in the 35B zone, so yeah. But I mean, I literally may not be able to get a good mask. Well, I mean, honey mask. But yeah, that's just something to kind of think about. You know? How do you do it? Like, huh? Yeah. Okay, well, yeah. I need that so bad. I'm a noob. Give me a honey storm. Ah, I need it. Give me the tokens. Dude, there's just some pro collecting these. Like, you need them. Yay. Dude, I'm at so much. I'm gonna buy an egg if I can. If I can't buy an egg, I'm gonna sue you guys. Bye. Yay! Okay, let's go get something from the shop. Also, yeah, no group bonuses. Buy a better backpack. And this. Okay, look at me and my epic storage capacity and my rake. My rake to whack you with. Dude, I just realized the rake is literally one of the most lethal weapons in the game. Maybe a shovel's more, I don't know. Is a shovel more lethal? Oh! I have 3 bees. I've discovered 3 bees. I want to get to the 5-7 zone. The rake literally doesn't do much more. I'm gonna try to get like a good spot, like yeah, right here, I guess. Wait. No. Yeah, here. No. Okay, yeah, here. Hey, there's spots of 2. Okay, time to go. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this part 1 of many in this series. Make sure to do whatever you want. I'm not one of those YouTubers who begs you to like and begs you to subscribe. I don't care if nobody really ever watches my videos. I do this for fun. Not so I can. This is not like a job. To be honest, I never knew you could get money. But yeah, I will see you, and I won't play on this account till next week. To be honest, these things will probably come out on yeah, these things will come out on Saturdays. I'm just doing this on a Wednesday because I can and I want to. But yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you next episode. Bye. Part or whatever. Yeah.